Garage deal for second days up to 50%. So let's see the product for the garage deal. Yan. So again, guys, showing here, start here. But again, we extend because we put more items. Again, for example, we have the Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Cine. Yan. We have the DJI 3 Pro RC. Actually, it's already 250 KD. Yeah, we have also the Mini 3 Pro, 199 KD, Mavic 3 Classic, which is 399 KD, Mini 2 SE, 139 Kuwaiti dinar, and yeah, it's also SE, and more SE, Avatar. We have Avatar here, and this area we have X-Size C70, Z90, Lowa lens, Tamron lens for your Canon, and Sony mount. We have also here Sigma lenses, Sony lenses, Canon 100, 400, 1635, Insta360, which is around 129 Kuwaiti dinar now. GoPro Hero 12. Ayan, GoPro Hero 12 for 119. Whoa, best price. It's a good price. And 179 for the 12, which is Creator Edition. 1530 RF, Sigma Canon extender, Sigma again, 20 millimeter. And 14, we have Atem for Blackmagic. And okay, we have also here Godox AD200, V860, AD300. We have Canon cameras from R8, R10, R7, R50, R100. We have 7200 here, guys. 7200 RF, which is 699 weighted dinar. ZVE1, A7CR, 5D Mark IV, XA75, R6 Mark II, Sony FX30, Z190, R5C, backgrounds from Savage and Valido, Amaran, yeah, and we have Amaran 150C RGB. It's very sellable here. Yeah, it's 89 Kuwaiti dinar now. And we have here 69 Kuwaiti dinar, which is Amaran X 100S bicolor. Light Mons 150D, which is around 49 Kuwaiti dinar. I think it's 40 KD discount, so 40%. We have also here the Godox SZ200BI for 99 Kuwaiti dinar. 8600 for 249. SL150s. Yan. Godox SL62. We have a bunch of microphone from Sennheiser. Yan. We have the wireless G4 for 139 now. Pad mic, Boya, Sennheiser, M Game, and we have Balido products. We have EcoFlow, Solidcom from Holy Land, small rig V-mount batteries, bunch of batteries from IDX, Stream, and also here. And we have Holy Land, Visio 7, Shinobi from Automos Hogan Connect, Visio 5, 14-inch, Ulanzi, Godox, TL30, C-Tech, Atem, monitors, Godox S60, yan. Also ML30, Boya, and if you're looking for a boom arm for live stream, Boya for your microphone, Boya BA30, and Folio 360, some filters, and Godox WL4B for only 14 KD 950 Kuwaiti dinar now. From 30 KD now it's 4950, so 50% off. Also this Godox R1 now is only 9 KD 950. We have 2 KD 2 dinar 950 Kuwaiti dinar. Video lights, we have 4 KD 950 Godox We have in this section, we have Rode mics, Saramonic mics, Boya wireless mic, Angel Bird microphones, Angel Bird's memory cards, sorry. We have from CF Express, Type A, Type B, and CFast card, micro SD, and SD card, Boya wireless microphone for iPhone and 3.5 cameras. And Shure microphones, battery NP 970 from Valido. Yeah, so we have some Tether Tools item here. Potex MT1 holder, bone holder, Nixily Vocus V. And yeah, this action camera here from DJI Action 2. And bag from Low Pro, Mount Proto hard case. Yan, non-light light products, Godox lights, aperture. Yan, all this already here, guys. Again, the best one, which is the Godox SK400 E, is already on discount, which is 99 KD. Yeah, 400 and 300 watts. So yeah, yun. So we also have Savage backgrounds. Again, we have the DJI Ronin 2. Yeah, DJI Ronin 2. We have Savage backgrounds here. PVC background from Balido. Um, Balido Lento. Savage background, the small one. Balido backgrounds, the big one. And yeah, we have also this one collapsible. And so again, we have here uh from Aperture 300X. It's a very good deals. I like this light. And we have also Amaran. I like also this Amaran 60X. We have TL60K2 for two lights, tube light, and yeah, it's many more, guys. So again, I suggest to check our garage deals. Every day we are adding more items or more product to the list or in the bus in the garage products. So again we have 360 here. The 360 um for mobile is photo booth. Yeah, 360 photo booth. So ayan, we have Insta again, Foldio. So I suggest come and check all items here in Megastore. So I showed you already around half of the products, and there is a lot more. So and again, they'll keep adding more items. So I suggest to come and visit the Megastore garage deals. Yeah, and again, it's up to 50% off. So if you are living here in Kuwait, I suggest to come and check our product here in Aabworld Megastore showroom. So yan, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, shout out kay wala sa kanya yung mic, nasa akin yung mic, pero Palaboy OFW. Thank you and mabuhay.